How to start Google Maps in satellite view. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can start Google Maps in satellite view, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to go ahead and then basically actually start your Google Maps in satellite view, by default what happens is that whenever you open Google Maps, it's going to give you this little 2D icon view. But let's say you want a satellite view instead. What you want to do is, for that, tap the profile icon from the top right and then simply navigate to this option called settings. And once you navigate to settings, from here on just scroll and then look for this option called start maps in satellite view, which uses more data, by the way, so you can just turn this thing on. After you do this, next time whenever you open the Google Maps application again, you'll be able to notice that the map is basically in satellite view as you would be able to find it. This way you'll be able to actually start Google Maps in satellite view. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.